Hello all, I am Vishwa and welcome to Flipkart.com. Today we are going to explore the all-new IFB front-loading Diva Aqua VX. With this fully automatic machine from IFB, you can transform that dirty pile of clothes into fresh and clean laundry. With 15 wash programs and 800 RPM, this 6 kg machine ensures seamless performance and is best suited for bachelors and couples. Complete with an electronic display and a body with a wide door drum of stainless steel, this piece is a handsome addition to your home. The most interesting feature of the Diva Aqua VX is its laundry add function. This allows you to put in the mist laundry even after the wash cycle has started. So if your lazy husband just realized that he has a pair of trousers to wash right after you started the wash cycle, you don't have to break a sweat. This feature covers it for you. Moving on to other smart features, the 2D wash helps you clean your clothes thoroughly, while the Aqua Energy cleverly optimizes your detergent performance. So basically what Aqua Energy does for you is that it energizes water, converting hard water into soft water, so that the detergent dissolves better and your clothes are happy. And there's more. Now no more worrying about your delicates, as the smooth crescent moon grooves on the drum surface creates gentle water cushions that prevents any damage to the fabrics. Let me show you how. For your delicates, you can select the option from here, and that's how easy it is. Not a great fan of soaking clothes beforehand? Now save time and effort, as the wash and rinse cycle uses a shower system that ensures thorough soaking and a cleaner wash. What's more, now no more worries about arranging that laundry anymore. With the auto balance system, the unbalanced clothes are automatically detected by a sensor and redistributed to maintain a consistent and stable wash. Just dump it in, sit back and relax. Not just that, this machine comes with a high-low voltage protection. By that I mean that in case of a voltage fluctuation, the program is paused and resumed once the voltage is within the safe operating system, thereby increasing your machine's life. A very unique feature is the child lock. This one keeps those naughty kids away. I'll show you how it works. You have to press these two buttons for 3 seconds. And that's it, child lock activated. Now most importantly, this machine comes with a complete 4-year super warranty and a 10-year of spare support. So it looks like there's nothing about this machine that you won't love. With more capacity, tumble wash, multifunction digital display and a crescent moon drum design that makes it a smarter and more efficient machine. Planning to buy it now? Join the Flipkart family and enjoy benefits of quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and assured brand warranty. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a perfect buy.